Weekend. Taft has been tracking those temperatures for us, and it's here now with a look at just how hot it will be today.
Yeah, we're going to see the actual temperatures up around 100 degrees. Then you throw in that humidity. That's where we're going to see the problems, those heat index values over 110 in many locations.
It'll just feel a lot worse than it actually is.
Just going to feel a lot worse, and it looks like that may linger on through the weekend as well. So this is just the first of several days we're going to have to deal with this intense heat. First of all, let's take a look at the excessive heat warning. All those counties in purple. That does include Bartlesville to Tulsa, Muskogee, Okmulgee, down into the McAllister area over to Fort Smith. These are the areas we could see those heat index values over 110 degrees. You notice in far northeast Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas, and back into the Oklahoma City area in that orange shading, that is a heat advisory that we were under yesterday, where we could see heat index values over 105 degrees in those locations. So again, all of eastern Oklahoma going to see a lot of heat and a lot of humidity as we move on through the rest of the day today. And some of those hot weather safety tips, we want to show them to you again. Limit that outdoor activity from now through the afternoon hours when we're going to see the most intense heat. Dress for the summertime. Stay out of that direct sunshine because that'll add about 30 degrees to the actual temperature. Wear sunscreen, wear a hat as well if you have to be out in that sun, and drink plenty of water before going out and doing anything outdoors. Try to find the air conditioning or take some breaks. Now, when we talk about the humidity and why is that so important this time of the year, whenever we talk about dew points, the higher the temperature, that's when we have more problems out there with that temperature and humidity combination. And today we're going to see it in the low to 70s, which is fairly oppressive. Now, if we had dew points below 60 degrees and we hit 100 degrees today, it would actually feel a couple degrees cooler than the actual temperature. But when you throw in the humidity and you see these dew points as high as they're going to be for today, you have to add on to the actual temperature itself. So we're going to see those readings about 10 to 15 degrees warmer, at least for our bodies, compared to what the exact temperature is throughout the afternoon hours. So very, very hot. Just take it easy if you're going to be outside for extended periods of time. Something to help cool us off would be some showers and thunderstorms, but it's very quiet across eastern Oklahoma, where we're tracking some showers and storms. Parts of southwest Missouri early this morning had some flood warnings over around Springfield. Severe thunderstorm warnings around Branson this morning, but here in eastern Oklahoma, it is all quiet. As we're taking a look down the Arkansas River on our downtown cam, you notice it is very hazy out there. A lot of moisture in the air. We're already up to 91 degrees. Winds out of the southwest now at 6 miles per hour. And when you throw that humidity in, already feels like near 100 degrees here in the Tulsa area. 93 in Skytook, Collinsville, and Wasso. 90 in Broken Arrow. 88 currently in Bixby. 91 Jinx, setting at 93 out in Sand Springs. Across the rest of eastern Oklahoma, already up to 95 degrees in Stigler. We're at 92 in Pryor. 87 up in Coffeyville. And you notice McAllister at 92 degrees. But then that heat index already above 100 in many locations. You notice 104 in Bartlesville. Already feels like 106 in Pryor. 101. The current heat index in Eufaula, and we're knocking on that 100-degree doorstep here in Tulsa at 99 degrees. And those will continue to rise slowly as we move on through the rest of the afternoon. So high temperatures in the mid-90s for Coffeyville and Independence, Miami over around Grove and Veneta. But you notice as we move a little bit farther to the west, those temperatures slowly inching on up near 100 degrees, going about 99 in Skytook, 98 Pawhuska, 98 out in Pawnee, and heat index values generally about 10 to 12 degrees higher than this. So we'll see them very close to 110 degrees, if not a little bit higher, there across extreme northern Oklahoma. As we move down to Tulsa, to the I-40 area, mid-90s around Stillwell, but as you move to the west, those temperatures really jump at or above 100 degrees, generally from Highway 75 and points to the west, and we'll see those heat index values some 10 to 15 degrees higher than that actual temperature. Then down into southeast Oklahoma, it looks like most areas will top out at or above 100 degrees, heat index values 110 to 115, and you notice not much of a southwest wind to help cool us off much at all. And if you don't like the heat, well, unfortunately, the weekend we're going to have to deal with more of it. 101 in sunshine tomorrow, 102 in sunshine on Sunday. Heat index values both afternoons around 110 to 115. Then as we move into Monday, tracking a cold front that will move through, a slight chance of showers and storms and slightly cooler temperatures. Only 92 on Tuesday, 91 Wednesday and Thursday with lower humidity levels. So it's going to be some nice relief after what we're going to go through here over the weekend.
Right, everything about that